Artificial intelligence, AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on creating machines capable of mimicking human intelligence. At its core, AI works by analyzing large amounts of data, recognizing patterns, and making decisions or predictions based on that data. The process begins with data collection, whether it's images, text, speech, or sensor input. This data is then used to train algorithms, particularly through a method called machine learning. In machine learning, computers are given access to data and allowed to learn and improve from it without being explicitly programmed for every task. A specific subset called deep learning uses artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain, enabling machines to learn complex tasks such as image recognition or natural language understanding. The reality of how AI works lies in its reliance on computing power, data quality, and mathematical models. For example, a self-driving car uses AI to process input from cameras, radar, and sensors to detect objects, understand traffic conditions, and make real-time driving decisions. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa use natural language processing, NLP, a branch of AI that helps machines understand and respond to human language. These systems learn over time by being trained on vast data sets that represent the kinds of tasks they're expected to perform. However, AI doesn't possess consciousness, emotions, or true understanding. It processes data and follows mathematical rules. Its effectiveness depends on how well it's trained, and it can reflect biases present in the data. Moreover, AI requires continuous monitoring to ensure safe and ethical use. In the real world, AI is already transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation, but it still has limitations. It's a powerful tool, not magic, and works best when combined with human judgment and oversight. For more interesting minds, connect with me. What makes AI fascinating is how it blends logic, statistics, and pattern recognition to perform tasks that once required human intelligence. For example, in healthcare, AI can analyze medical scans in seconds to detect early signs of diseases like cancer, something that might take doctors hours. In entertainment, AI recommends your next favorite song or movie by analyzing your past choices. Even social media platforms use AI to filter content, detect fake news, or personalize your feed. But despite its intelligence, AI doesn't think like humans. It doesn't understand context or feel emotions. It follows instructions, learns from data, and makes decisions based on probabilities, not intuition. The reality is, AI isn't perfect. It can be biased, make errors, and sometimes misunderstand complex human behavior. That's why human oversight is still essential. But when designed and used responsibly, AI can be an incredible tool to solve real-world problems, automate tedious tasks, and unlock innovations we never thought possible. In short, AI isn't just technology, it's a revolution happening all around us right now.